Part of introducing numbers, I love to use interactive activities, things that they have to notice and follow along. And these do-a-dot markers, along with those circles on each of the numbers, help to kind of connect things together, where each of the circle goes inside the number, and at the end of the day, you come up with the number. I try to interact with them so that they make sure they go kind of how you would write it, top to bottom. But because this was our very first exposure, I just want her to get familiar with these worksheets. We're going to be like printing them over and over again and practicing using different colors and different materials so that she can start getting familiar with those numbers. This is our very first number recognition activity that we are exposing her to. So just interacting and playing is kind of what I want to do. Just exposing them, just have some freedom to decorate and use those do-a-dot markers. Those do-a-dot markers are a great add-on to your art supply collection, and I really recommend those.